YouTubers, today we're going to show you how to install a new light switch. We're going to go from this old one right here to this nice brand new one. Start by going to the breaker box and turning off the power to that part of the house. So first thing you want to do after you turn off the power to the switch is to unscrew the faceplate. Next thing you want to do is to take your Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the top screw and the bottom screw, and then we'll take out the entire switch from the wall. This switch is a three-way switch that we'll be replacing. On this particular light switch, we used a small screwdriver to press in and release each of the wires. Unscrew the ground wire with a Phillips screwdriver. If it's wrapped around the screw, you might need a pair of pliers to unwind it. For our new light switch, we needed to trim down the wires with some wire cutters so they would fit properly. Insert the wire into the screw post and tighten it down with your screwdriver. Since this is a three-way light switch, we'll have two black wires going into one side and the red wire going into the other side. Finally, reconnect your ground wire and tighten it down. Once you've completed the wiring, test your three-way switches, and if they're not working properly, then you'll need to go back and switch the two black wires. Next, carefully push all the wires back into the light switch box. Screw the light switch back into the box. Screw the faceplate back on. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws, or else you might crack the faceplate. Turn the power back on and go test it. Looks good.